So today I'm going to show you how to make a little 6-stack tier tulip. A couple things to take in consideration when prepping a tulip: how many stacks you're actually going to be pouring in. The more stacks you pour, the sooner you want to actually start your pour. The less stacks you pour, let's say you make a 3-tier tulip, you start a little over 3/4 of the way. That way, you kind of finish when the drink is pretty much at level with the cup. That way it's not too full, not too empty. Exactly like with every other latte art design, it is very important that the initial pour is done exactly in the middle, as close as you can to the espresso, and gently place the first one in. Second one, you start pushing. Third, push. Fourth, fifth, and then with the sixth one, you close gently. And there you have your 6-tier tulip. Also to take in consideration is the amount of milk that you're using and size of cup that you're going to be using. If you happen to over steam your milk and it's a little too creamy, you can always just dump a little bit out. Just make sure you have enough to actually complete the drinking design. You don't want to use too much milk, but you also don't want to use not enough. You want to use the exact right amount that you're going to be needing. All right, guys, so that's how you make a 6-tier tulip. I kept that as basic and simple as possible. Hopefully you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Oh, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.